Hello. 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 And welcome to another game development stream, or just a stream in general, actually. I'm SolarLune. I'm an independent game developer. I am a musician. I am a programmer. I'm kind of a lot of things, kind of a few things. But yeah, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Hi. How's everything going? How's everyone's week so far? This is Monday, April 3rd. Hopefully everything's going well for you. Oh yeah, I forgot people don't like light themes, so let me change it to dark. Let's go with the city lights this time. Okay. All right. So last time we left off, I was working on this project of mine, Lemon, which is going pretty well. Got a little caught up on a bug toward the end of the last stream, but did pretty well. This one, I'm gonna work on this a little bit, maybe, but I was gonna probably go back to working on MasterPlan. I haven't worked on that in a while. And yeah, it's a really useful piece of software. I want to make sure it's useful for everybody, so I need to go back and fix some bugs and keep working on it. But for now, this is the state of this game, which is cool. Oh yeah, added 3D sound. I forgot to. That wasn't on this stream, I think. Let me kick up the volume. Is the stream muted? It shouldn't be. It should be fine. I'm just showing the 3D audio. Yeah, so that's not bad. That's pretty good. Like it's maybe not perfect, but it's pretty good, honestly. This is all really good, I feel like, for a game that is done by myself. It's made, like, everything's made by hand, basically. This is kind of wild. It's kind of sick. But yeah, so this is going pretty well. I want to keep working on it and make it fun, make it interesting. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's right. I also added this little wall, um, kind of experimenting a little bit with like ways to box the player in, and I made these wall tiles like mountain walls. This is just dirt. It should be rock or something like that, but this is just kind of something to test out how this would work or if this would work even. It seems like it would work okay. Seems like it's not a bad solution for walls, keeping the player in place. It's a little janky, just a smidge janky. But yeah, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. All right, so what we'll be doing is we'll be working on MasterPlan, I think, at least a little bit. Maybe we'll work a little bit on both. Oh yeah, before I forget, I also made this song, or I'm working on this song. This was from the intro, from the start of the stream before I showed up. That might be dumb loud. Let me see. So yeah, that's the kind of vibe, just kind of like a general vibe sound. I feel like, going a little slower is good, and kind of like having something that's kind of, methodical and ethereal is good. The song is 25 kilobytes. So it would be really cool if I could make a parser for renoise files, for XRNS files, and playback sound, playback music inside the game, because then I could slow tracks down, I could mute or unmute tracks at will, I could change patterns, do stuff like that. That would be cool. So that's something that I would like to do. I'm not sure if I'll be able to. I started on a parser for renoise files a while ago, but I haven't gotten very far. It just basically parses some of the data from an XRNS file. But if it can parse everything and then play back the song in Go, with Ebitingen, for example, playing back the WAV file, or not the WAV file, but the samples, then you could have a game that is like a full 3D game with just like a 30 megabyte footprint or 20 megabyte footprint, something insane like that, which I think would be cool. How big is the game if we build it? I'm not sure if it'll build if we try, but let's see. I just want to see what's kind of the best case scenario. Although I am using some sounds here, we'll just try building it real quick. It is 40 megabytes right now. That's really small. That's really small for modern games. Yeah, very good, very good. Oh, whoops. So yeah, I might build a, like have a full game and have it be like 45 megabytes, 50 megabytes, rather than like, 400 megabytes, where 300 megabytes or 350 megabytes are the sound files, are the music files. So we'll see. Like, that would be really cool to have, I think. Really cool to implement. All right, so now MasterPlan. Let's take a look at the current state of this. And get some music going too. Oh, I'm sorry. It's still loud, isn't it? My bad. I always forget. Yeah, why not? Okay, so this is going to take some time to load here. That should be pretty good in terms of volume. If it's too loud, if the music's too loud, let me know. But let's see. We'll close everything here. least that for the to-do list. So one thing that's an issue that I know is an issue is basically when you're typing, the cards like move around. So let's go ahead and take a look there and see what's going on. It might be in contents actually. Adjust. Okay, recreate target. Line count, pre-height. Yeah, so sync property pre-height. It might be here in the sync property. This might be the problem. Taking a look at the Discord to see if I can find some bugs here. Crashing it's still building. Crashing when taking a screenshot of a sub page. Okay, I'll have to see about that. So let's put some stuff on the docket. So editing cards while which is up. Let's see what else. Links don't seem to work well. There it goes. You can't click on or use keybinds to go up and down some pages when using link mode on a link card, as it just links to the subpage and doesn't let you use them. So if I click on a subpage to enter it while in link mode, it just links to the subpage. I can't use my keybind to enter it. I think I see what he means. So basically you have a subpage, you're linking, you can't, wait. If I click on the subpage to enter it while in link mode. No, it definitely works. Maybe this was fixed recently. February 4th, let's see. No, February 4th, yeah. Definitely should be. Okay, well there is a report on my Discord that says that basically you can't I can't go back. Okay, that is interesting. So I can go like that, but I can't go back. Okay, but let's see if we can fix that then. But otherwise, this does work, right? Like I can't click on open. I can't go in and out. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that seems to work. But you can't go up while... Yeah, okay, we'll fix that. Page. Different song time. Let's go with this. Okay. Let's see here. So I think the issue is, yeah, when state card link. Open subject. Is it project? Is this not it? Or does this, it does not. Is there an alternate, like, open subpage? It's just here, Subpage. When is Subpage? Go up from Subpage. Oh, there it is. Okay. So this should happen. Well, it's not state. How many states are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's fine. So subpage close should now be able to be used. Oh, that's still open. There we go. So subpage closing should now be usable. What the heck? All right, that's correct. Why is... Okay, what we're gonna do, let's close. We're just gonna move this out, I guess, from here. Move this out of here and move it here. Let's see what states are available. So nothing, you're editing text. I think as long as you're not editing text or map editing. Context menu. Oh, I guess I could just do it like that now that I think about it. Because this is here, we could just move this into here. Yeah, that's better. I might Subpage. I might, yeah, just make it so that there's two different keys for going up and down subpages. So one key jumps into a subpage, another key combo jumps out. Oh, that is how it works. Okay, subpage open and subpage close. They just happen to be the same. Okay, by default. That's fine. Yeah, okay. All right, that's good. That's what we need. What else? Well, actually, I guess we should commit these changes. Let's see, taking screenshots crashes MasterPlan. F10, was it? Yeah. Color at index out of range. This is kind of a banger. Actually, this actually kind of does go. This is Grouper by Poison Tree. This is just my own, like, rip. My own bootleg. Let's go with the classic. All right, so what we're trying to figure out here. It is RGBA, right? Okay, I'm gonna update, I guess, to the latest version of GoSDL2. It doesn't make sense not to. Yo! Update readme.md with instructions on building static executable for macOS M1 inside a Linux container. That is wild. Because that's something that I was trying to figure out for a while. February 9th, okay. So it must be right around here. Where's the commit that actually has this? Do I have to specifically view this tag? Okay, yes, looks like it. Run a container, install required packages, clone OS X cross. build Mac OS SDK. Reload profile. Okay. 11.3. Okay, well, I'll have to. This is good. I'll have to come back to this later. Because I've been trying to. I've tried to build MasterPlan for M1 Mac, and it was not happening. So I'm not sure if there's anything better now, but hopefully so. But we'll update to the latest version of GoSDL2, which is 0.4. I just saw it. 33. Yes, because that might have something to do with this issue. What's going on? VS Code is tripping. Pazrinos, hello. And hello to everybody. I don't know if I said that. Pez Pazarino says, would you benefit or gain from swapping from SDL2 to Ebiton for MasterPlan? Maybe in the... Like, I find Ebiton's rendering more familiar to me. So I would prefer to work with it compared to SDL2, which is more weird. But I do feel like SDL2 is better for input because it supports input method editors, IMEs, for other languages. If Ebiton did that I probably wouldn't have used SDL2 because Ebiton is more like Go native. I'm not sure which of the two is more efficient. Maybe neither. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I would gain anything. It's not really possible, but if it was possible, I'm not sure if I would gain anything from switching from SDL2 to Ebiton. It's building again, so I'll leave it to build. I don't know if this is actually even correct. And for whatever reason, my autocomplete isn't working. Modern computers, I guess. We'll just have to sit and wait. Can't save. Man, what's going on? This is out of the ordinary. All right. Well, I'll let it finish what it's doing. Can I open the other project? Does this work? Okay, this does work. All right, so while we're waiting for MasterPlan to finish compiling, let's see if we can get an interaction icon above the player's head. We're gonna do this with Blender. We're gonna do this with Blender. We're gonna make a little exclamation mark that rotates above his head. It'd be cool if I could just bevel like some of the edges. Like I don't want to bevel the front, I just want to bevel the sides. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I can just do this. This thing still hasn't built, huh? Oh, no, there it goes. Okay. Fault force? Yeah. Wait a second. Cards is a card. Copy buffer cards, old. Oh no. Old to new. Let me think, because basically I'm trying to figure out. I think an issue, one bug is that if you try to copy a subpage card into another card, a subpage card, it crashes. I'm trying to figure out how this currently works and how I want it to work. So if I copy this, it becomes its own thing. Yeah, you should use subpage cards to do that for you. Or you should use links if you want to move around. So then there shouldn't be any... Okay. There shouldn't be any issues if you copy a subpage into another one. What's the issue? Well, hold on, let me... What? Oh, because we continued. That's right. Okay, that makes sense. Oh. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, I just got a message of something. It's just, of course. All right. So yeah, what was the issue here? What's the problem? It is not crashing. It seems out of the ordinary. Wasn't there an issue here? Maybe I fixed it? Oh, with cut? Oh, that's no good. Okay, so there's a couple of problems. Yeah, I thought that would happen. Okay, so there's a couple of problems. One is if you cut and paste, hold on. Let's see, subpage. This is paste cards, yeah. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Yeah, if you copy a card, you can't paste it within itself. I feel like maybe subpage cards shouldn't even exist. Like maybe there should just be something to add a new page on the hierarchy. Yeah, it's probably right. Yeah, that's probably right. Yeah, that's probably right. So remove subpage entirely and then just replace it with an option to add and remove a page and also move it up and down in the list. That seems to make the most sense. Yeah. For now, I guess what I'll do. For now, this might work. Why does that do that though? Serialize does work for all properties. I don't have anything special for serialization, do I? No. Oh, hold on. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. Switch the song up a little bit. Subpage ID 1. Yeah, no, it. Four. Okay, hold up. This is strange, and I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Two. Why is this? When did it become two? Subpage. Loading subpage is broken. When is this ever true? Okay, it's never true. Okay. I feel like I'm on the cusp of something. Also, what's going on with this? What's going on with everything? This is one. This is two. When does that happen? Set SBS subpage.id. Subpage is equal to nil. I forgot I implemented this. This is pretty dope. This was pretty dope. It's super smooth. So subpage is 1. Subpage is 2. Okay. Why is it 2? When is it ever 2? Why is it 2? Subpage set. Okay, hold on. Global page ID plus plus. I guess that makes sense. 0, 1. Paste. No, why is it 2? I guess subpage would be nil, but no. Why is it nil? Page dot pointing. Oh, page that's pointing some card is equal to nil. That's what it is. This is it right here. So you create a card A. I see. Okay. So cut mode. So we do this is paste. So we delete them afterward. Okay. All right. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. All right, that might help us out. We'll see. The goal is basically the ability to cut and paste and not lose the page. There we go. Now they both point to it though. Maybe they should both point to it. Yeah, that might be fine. Why is delete? Oops. I forgot that that's still broken. Delete it from the hierarchy. Oh, because there's no way to access it anymore. Right? Is that why? So it must show the page only if, yeah, the card that points to it is not dead. So there's two ways of doing this. One is that you make a subpage card, you copy and paste it. Like this. There's two ways to get into the card. That's a problem too. Yeah, subpage cards are just kind of a pain. So you have a subpage card, it points somewhere. You copy that subpage card, you paste it. Should it create another card that points to the original location? Really, the problem is when you cut in, then the pit. Yeah. There's no reason to use a subpage card essentially beyond just creating another page. And even this will change eventually, I think. But when you copy and paste it, it should create its own new page. Tony D says, hey, hello, welcome to the stream. You can tell how mind flooded I am by how low in my chair I am. Yeah, I'm like in the lower like 25% of the frame. Mind flooded. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. I think that's correct. I'm like 30% mind flooded. Okay. Yeah, I think the issue here, page and priority pages. Okay, I'm gonna take the easy way out here. Tony D says, my internet is acting weird, can access Google services, but not Amazon or Facebook. That's strange. Maybe the internet's going down. Maybe, who knows? Yeah, like, I think I'm gonna take the easy way out and just make it so that you can't cut a subpage card. There's just, it just doesn't work the way that it should. It's just problematic. Excuse me. I think that was good. Good spot. So we'll stop there. Yeah, so when you go to copy or cut, maybe just cut. You can't cut those cards. All right, that might do it. That might just make it simple enough where we can just kind of like shrug it off. Can I cut a subpage card? All right, that might help us out. Yeah, that's fine for now, although this implies that basically once you make a subpage card, there's no way to move it from the page that you make it on, which is of course bad. But there's not an easy way to around fixing that, because if you make it so that you can cut a subpage card from one place to another, we have to update the page that points to the card, which we're not doing. We're not serializing that data. So the real solution, I think, would just be to eliminate subpage cards entirely and make it so that basically hierarchy becomes pages, essentially, and you can add and remove pages here, and then, yeah, that's it. So that's for another day. Markdown support. That would be interesting. I'm not sure how it even... Like, underline cards, or underline, bold, and strike through might be non-problem free. That's just drawing on the text, I think. So it'd be something like that. So the underlines would become like light or something, and then just the text would get affected. That's an idea. That's an idea. What's the markdown spec? Oops. Okay, so you have like you have headings. You have, I've never seen this. Block quotes. Block quotes. List items. Let me see. Is there a Golang markdown question? Okay, this might be possible in a sense. I'll have to see. I'll have to see. The idea I'm thinking about now is basically when you're editing the text, it turns like, it looks like this, but maybe when you click away, it turns to its normal view. That's an idea, but I'm not really too jazzed about it. I'm not sure how that would like behave. It's an idea. I'll have to see about that. But for now, let's fix the screenshots not working. Okay, so this is where we are. So we're reading the pixels. Oh, that's right. I was doing this in the meantime. Forgot about that. I'll start this. Read pixels. Height and width. Color at X, Y. So this is where it runs into issues. There we go. Read pixel. Oh, the pixels are in surf.data. Color at surf X and Y. Bytes per pixel. Y times surface.pitch. Plus X times BPP. Index out of range with length. So it's 829, let's see. 8294400 divided by, what's the width and height? The height is 2560 by 1371. Oh, it is full screen. 2560. Yeah, okay. Pixel data of the surface. A slice of bytes. BPP, bytes per pixel. They're all the same. Flags, format, width, height. No. The format. This is the format. The format, the palette. Bits per pixel, bytes per pixel. 4. Padding. RGBA mask. Shift. Next. Huh. Well. I have no idea why this isn't working. That does explain it. Definitely didn't like that. Read pixels. Panic. Why would it panic? When I read the pixels successfully. Maybe I don't read the pixels successfully. Okay, maybe that's the issue. I'm not reading the pixels successfully. Or maybe at least that's part of the issue. Okay, so the surface does exist. Then height 1920. So the width and height don't match the width and height of the image. That might be part of the issue. Screenshot here. Okay, so we make a new one whenever you resize the screen. Well. looks like we figured out what the problem might be. Okay, so this does work. It's just not working reliably. So I think the issue is that this works. That does not. I think the issue is with basically the width and height of the surface compared to the width and height that we think we're passing it. I think that's basically the problem. That's part of the problem. The width and height is less than the surface width and height. And height is the same. The height is the same. Now it crashes. Why did it crash? Okay. All the screenshots seem to be fine. That's audio. Let's see. Render, read pixels here. The pitch. Yeah, these two aren't matching. 976, 972. Okay, it looks like these two values don't match. That's why it's crashing. The screenshot surface size is not the same as the yeah, the screenshot surface size is not the same as the oh, why did I do this, dude? What the heck am I on? Screen size has to be set before we create the surface. Recreate the surface. There we go. That's better. Consistent. All right, now it's fixed. All right, that's good. Undo history. And syncing resizing the cards on PC have the same size. Dropping cards drops them on the left side. Okay, so okay, yeah, so the problem is when the wrapping size is not this size. Place card in stack. How do we do this? Right. Bottom. Move stack. Where do we move the other cards in the stack? Is it sync property? Is it here? Okay, no, it's not that. Recreate. Let's see. Recreate the move stack. Okay, so it must be this. It must be because of this message. Okay. I'd imagine it must be this. Let me see here. So, bop, 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 bop. Okay, that does explain. Yeah, it is that. I think it's this. Okay, so top equals card direct dot y plus card direct dot h. For t in range card dot stack dot tail if card direct dot y is not equal to top. Direct dot y equals top position top. Okay, why is this a problem then? Like, how does this not work? So it expands and then the card moves up. Why does the card move up? Top. All right, let's see. Oh, that might be it. That might be it. Let's see if this fixes it. So this works. All right, cool. All right, so I think that should fix it. At least for now. All right, that's good. We managed to do quite a bit today. All right, we'll keep working on it. I'll keep working on it next time. I'm gonna stop here, I think. I've been streaming for about an hour and a half, so rather than trying to go for like 2 hours or 3 hours or something like that, I'll stop here and then see if I can do it again Wednesday. Yeah. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. I've been SolarLune. It's been real. If you want to support development, please check out the links in the description, MasterPlan, and my Patreon and things like that. My Tumblr, I think, is also in the description. That's where I would like to post, yeah, maybe more dev stuff, like dev updates and things like that. Anyway, it's been real. Oh, actually, let's do one more thing, which is let's get that interaction icon up and running. This guy. this guy, this guy, this guy. We'll just go ahead and go vertex color. And we'll vertex paint it. That's fine. Let's give it a little bit more personality. Something like that. There we go. And we will save it as mark. We might, no, I think we want it to be where it is. That's fine. Turn it like this. Add it to the player collection, exclamation mark. And then move it up a little bit, like right around there. All right, and then make it a little rounder. There we go. Maybe a little bit thinner. There we go. That looks pretty good. Cool. Okay. All right. So now I think we should be good to just go ahead and go here. Go to what do I do here? Okay. Go to player. Animation. Mark mesh. Inode. I'm sorry. Hold on for a second. Okay, so exclamation mark mesh. We will go ahead and say exclamation mark mesh no.get. I think that's right. Make it invisible to start with. Save it. Okay, and then we just say exclamation set invisible. Looking at. Oh, looking at. Okay. Oh, it's collision. No. False. Something like that should kind of work. Let's see. It did not work because I did not name it correctly, I think. There we go. Cool. To make it look a little nicer, we can ease play like an animation to animate the alpha. Animation mark mesh fade queen. Animation mark mesh. Okay. So we can say if looking at is equal to nil, then we say if player dot exclamation mark fade is equal to nil, then player dot exclamation mark mesh fade equals queen dot new. Starting from 1 or 0 to go to 1, give it a second. Ease dot linear. And, all right, and then we can say else if looking at is nil and the fade is not, and it is nil rather, fade from 1 to 0. If player dot exclamation mark mesh fade is not equal to nil, update 1/60. This is specifically a model. All right, I think that should do it. Done. If done. There we go. That should do it. Okay. It did not do it. Oh, it's because it's invisible. I forgot. Let's make it visible again. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so it does work. Done. Okay, done. If done. All right, so this should help us out. I guess we say 0.001, 0.009, 999 rather. Okay, that should kind of get us there. One more thing I guess we want to do is go over here and we say player.mesh.set color.set alpha, or I guess color.a equals 0. I don't know why I added a set alpha even function. Anyway. Okay, it's not working as we would like. Exclamation mark. If looking at it, it's not going to nil, and whoops, is less than 0.9. That might help us out. Let's see. Okay, so that does work. It's fade. It's fading oddly, but that's fine for now. I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Works pretty well. Can spin a little faster. Okay, pretty good. Could fade in faster. All right, so that Okay, cool. Um, let's see. This would be easier if I could do this a different way. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't work. Well, I think I want the exclamation mark to disappear when you're talking, when you're interacting. Man, do I really want to do this the janky way? It definitely would work fine, yeah. Mesh fade. I'm just going to do this the simple way. Okay, it is simpler. Should work perfectly fine. Yeah. So we can make it faster. Fade in faster. Fade in and out faster. Cool. Let's add a border around it to make it easier to read. Is it Shift-E? Full-E? No, Alt-S. There we go. Not sure how I feel about it not showing up immediately like that. I think I know why it's happening. I'm just not sure exactly what I'm going to do about it. The alpha. We have to pre-multiply it. That might help. I'm not sure. It did not help. Oh wait. Maybe this, oh, it might just be that I need to make this transparent. Whoops. That might, still may not fix it, but yeah, it did not fix it. Oh, actually, this is something I hadn't considered. I hadn't considered this. Because the transparent shadeless part is drawing on top. Oh, depth. Okay. I'll leave this back the way it was, but I'm not sure exactly how to solve this. This is an interesting problem. All right, here's what I'm going to do because I'm too lazy to actually solve the problem. I'm going to basically just color this different colors on the sides to help it to stand out. That's pretty good. And feels more in line with the game too. I'm not sure what this thing is detecting, but it's detecting it. Also, I didn't realize, but if you're too close to an object, you can't to a thin object, it seems like it's tougher to interact with it. Although, yeah, there's something, it feels like there's something here. Is the house or building? What is it detecting? Oh, this needs to be here. There we go. Bruh. There we go. Okay, so now only interactable objects make the exclamation mark appear. This is still wild that I'm making this by myself. I find this, I'm so not impressed. I don't think that's the right word, but I find this so interesting, and I'm just like, man, this is so cool to me. Like, I'm like, this is dope. This is dope. I don't know what you're thinking, but this is dope. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with this. All right. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I've been SolarLune. It's been real. I'll catch you guys on the flip side next time. Please check out my links in the description and my YouTube channel and stuff, and I'll see you later.